काल जेन्ना दीस उजवाडलो तेन्ना वायस प्रेसिडेंट गोंयचे बीजेपीचे नरेंद्र सावयकर हांचो एक पोस्ट ट्विटराचेर आमकां व्हायरल जाताना दिश्टी पडलो जे कॉक्रोचीस आनी टर्मायट हाज्या बद्दलचो आमच्या बरोबर कार्लोस फेरेर सर आसा MLA आल्तोना कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे आनी वर्कींग प्रेसिडेंट सर. हो जो स्टेटमेंट आसा काल ताजे वयल्यान बोवाळ तर खूबच जालो पूण तितलोच सेन्सिटीव आनी मेजर मुद्दो आशिल्लो. सरकारा वाटेंतल्यान किंवा जे बीजेपीच्या वाटेंतल्यान खुबशे जाणांनी आपले स्टेटमेंट दिल्ले आसा. तुमी कशें पळयतात सर?
चोय हांव नरेंद्र सावयकर वळखता MP जाचनी पयले एज अ प्रॅक्टिसींग लॉयर, एंड आय एम सरप्रायज्ड that given his standing as a lawyer, given his standing as having been a member of parliament representing South Goa constituency, and being a leader of the BJP, to use words like this. Whenever you assume any position of power, you have greater responsibility. And I think that a person who achieves even the highest position must know to respect that position and to respect people who have brought him up, who have been with him, who are the people whose support they need, and the nation with which they stand. This kind of a statement is highly condemnable. I think it exposes the rot within the BJP. आनी हांव तुका सांगता कित्याक रॉट हांव म्हणटा. कितले वर्स फाटीं एक पंचायतीक हांव अपियर जातालो. एक केस आशिल्ली पंचायतीन. इल्लिगल NOC दिलो म्हूण सांगलोलें. आनी इल्लिगल म्हणलो कंप्लिटली रेजोल्युशन नासतना कोण एक NOC फॅब्रिकेट करून ते हायकोर्टान प्रोड्यूस केल्ले. आनी आमकां व्हेरिफिकेशनाक धाडले ते. इज इट रायट ऑर इज इट रॉंग? आनी पंचायत वॉज अ पार्टी. सो हांवें पंचायतीक इन्साल्ले तेन्ना पंचायतीक आन्सर कितें ते आडेन सोमले आमगे फायल हायले. Understand? Termites have eaten our files. So I want to ask the BJP and I want to ask Naren Savarkar. Termites ate the cupboards in which your question papers were there. The termites ate every safe in which you kept these question papers. The termites ate every vehicle which carried these papers. Or is it termites which is giving you the cash? Because even sometimes तूं जाणा तुका हें जालें जाल्यार रोगता हें जाता तेन्ना ते कीड घातात थिंगा तो रोगोट साक करपाक. हय. So this kind of a thing, they want to show positivity when it is negativity. These are termites eating our nation. The BJP are termites eating our nation. The BJP are termites who are finishing our nation by these gotalas, by indecency, crime against its own citizens, and silence is another part of it. And the justification to counter attack. See, एक थर्ड पार्टी सांगता कितें जालें जाल्यार आमी पासून चूक केल्यार आमी म्हणटले येस वी रिव्यूड इट, वी आर सॉरी म्हणटले डायरेक्टली. वॉट इज रॉंग टू से सॉरी? इट डजंट कॉस्ट. बट एक सॉंग आहा थिंगा, सॉरी इज द हार्डस्ट वर्ड म्हण. सो टू से सॉरी इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट एंड इट इज मॅग्नेनिमस टू से सॉरी. इट डजंट कॉस्ट एनीथिंग टू से सॉरी.
सर एक गोष्ट आसा की ते म्हणटा की एक आपूण जनरल स्टेटमेंट दिल्लो आपूण कोणाक युता किंवा कोणाक म्हणून ना, कोणाक लावपाचो तेणी लावन घेवचो. ऑफकोर्स टायमींग इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. ज्या टायमार हो पोस्ट घातला डायरेक्टली लिंक करपाचें हें आमी तांकां विचारलें, बट ही वॉज सेईंग की आपूण जनरली आपूण खंयच्या युतांक म्हणूंक ना म्हणून. हाऊ डू यू रिएक्ट ऑन दॅट?
तुवें केन्ना आनी टर्मायट उतर यूज केल्ले? कित्याक एक स्टेटमेंट केला आनी आतां सांगपा if the hat, if your cap suits wear it म्हूण एश कोन्न असलो स्टेटमेंट आमकां सांगपा हे भुरग्यांचो फेड न्ही. टायमींग इज इम्पॉर्टंट. केन्ना स्टेटमेंट कोत्ता तेन्ना एज इफ नरेंद्र सावयकर वॉन्ट्स टू से ही इज नॉट अवेअर ऑफ वॉट इज हॅपनिंग अराउंड. ही इज आउट ऑफ द कंट्री. ही इज इन सम डिफरंट प्लॅनेट and he's lost connect with the what's going on in the nation, and suddenly he made one statement. Does he, like Confucius, make statements like this, which are supposed to be pearls of wisdom. So this is now trying to run away and say, I never accused anyone. But there are accusations which can be direct, there are accusations which can be indirect. And this is one of the indirect manners of which you hit at somebody without saying it.
एज यू रायटली सेड सर, एक्चुली जे पेपर लीक जाला ताजेर म्हाका दिसता खूब म्हत्वाची गोश्ट आशिल्ली आनी इन्क्वायरी जावपाक जाय पेपर लीक कशें जाले, खंयच्यान सुरू जाले हाजेर एक्चुली उलोवपाक जाय. जाल्यार आयज आमी बाकीच्या गोश्टींचेर उलयता.
आणि आनीक एक it's my humble request. There is a call today at 5:30 p.m. for a protest against all this manner in which the youth and the children are being attacked. And that protest will be as Azad Maidan today in Panjim. It is non-political, it is not a Congress party protest, it is not of any political party. It is just an appeal on my behalf that I would call upon the youth to come in large numbers. Remember one thing, this is not politically affiliated. This is a matter of your future. It is a matter of your career. It is a matter of your jobs in your profession. If you don't come now and you say makita porla, and if you try to say make lagna, you will realize the day it hits you, it will be too late for you to get up and react.
थँक्यू सर. म्हाका दिसता खूब म्हत्वाची तांच्यांनी सूचना दिल्ली आसा आनी आयचे ह्यो सगळी घडामोडी तुमच्या मुखार आमी घेवन येत रावता. पळयत रावात गोवा न्यूज.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.